Meaning of dumpling.
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 Dumpling. Dumplings are small, usually round, pieces of dough that can be filled with a variety of ingredients. They are typically boiled or steamed, and are a popular food in many cultures around the world, including Chinese, Korean, Japanese, and Eastern European cuisines. Depending on the filling and cooking method, dumplings can have a variety of flavors and textures, ranging from savory and meaty to sweet and fruity. Overall, dumplings are a versatile and delicious dish that can be enjoyed in many different ways.